Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about the concept of point. If you will also get obtain the best concept of point, then stay at the end of the video. Okay, I will start. Point. At first, point. We understand the concept of point. A point is undefined term in our study. Firstly, we speak a point is undefined term in our study. Loosely speaking, it is defined as a point has no length, no breadth and no thickness. That means this has no length, no breadth and no thickness. So this is called point. A point has no length, no breadth and no thickness. If you understand, if you think this is a line and it has some length, like from this end to this end. If we decrease its length, then we also get some length. If we also decrease the line, then we also get some length. So if we decrease this line like this, so it has very small length which is negligible. That means a point has very few length that can be negligible. So similarly, we can say that a point has very few breadth and very few thickness that can be neglected. So if we can say that a point has no length, no breadth and no thickness, this is wrong. So at first we say that a point is undefined term. Why? Because a point has length, breadth and thickness also, but very few, very small thickness. So we say a point has undefined term in our study. Loosely speaking, we can say that it has no length, no breadth and no height, because a point has very few length that can be neglected, very few small that can be neglected, very few breadth that can be neglected, very few thickness that can be neglected. So finally we can say that a point has no length, no breadth and no thickness. In other words, we can say that a point is a mark of position. A point is a mark of position. That means if we locate this position, then this dot represents the position of this. So we can say that a point is a mark of position. Yani a point is also defined as a point is a mark of position. It determines a location. Okay, a point also determines a location. A small dot is used to represent a point. If a point is lie on a board, then this point represented as a dot and this dot considered as a point. A small dot is used to represent a point. Points are denoted as capital letters like A, another point denoted as B, this point denoted as C, etc. So here we write points are denoted as capital letters like A, B, C, etc. Okay. Again we consider a point is undefined term in our study. What is point? A point is undefined in our study. At first we say. At first we said what? A point is undefined term in our study. Loosely speaking, this word is important. This definition, a point has no length and no breadth and no thickness. Loosely speaking, not permanently. Loosely speaking, not permanently. It is defined as. Loosely speaking, it is defined as a point has no length, no breadth and no thickness. Also, a point is a mark of a position. A point is a mark of a position of somebody. It also determines a location. What thing we use to denote the point? A small dot. Point is dot is used to represent a point. A small dot like this. A small dot is used to represent a point. But point is denoted as like this plane, that is board, has a point this, and this point is denoted as capital letters. Any capital letters you can use, A, B, C, etc. Okay, so this is the basic concept of point. I hope you understand the concept of point. If you like this video, then press like thumb and subscribe our channel to get new updates and press bell icon to get new notifications.